Today I'm going to show you how to install the SL 2.5 H-TUBE using the SLA 2.5BM or StructureLite base mount. These parts create sturdy posts without the need for a mounting flange at the bottom. When you call in to place your order, we will need to know what type of material you're hanging. This will determine how many side taps will be required and the appropriate grippers for maximum hold. Once we have all the information necessary, we will provide you with a complete estimate with all the details. This is how the components work together. An anchor goes through the base mount hole and secures it to the mounting surface. The heavy H-tube then sleeves over the base mount and is fastened from the outside with 3 button head screws. It's important to note that you want to get plenty of torque when tightening the anchor through the base mount. Here I'll show an installation using a concrete anchor. We can supply the necessary concrete anchors with your order. You can also use a readily available common 1/2-inch lag bolt for wood floors. Set your drill depth. For the supplied HDCA7, use a 1/2-inch masonry bit set to a minimum depth of 6 inches. Clean out the hole. Safety glasses are recommended here. Then thread the anchor through the base mount and into the floor. If you've ordered your tube with pre-tapped holes, you'll need to rotate the base mount to align them in the proper orientation. It's always best to have a level surface to ensure your posts are plumb. Concrete can be ground flat, but if that's not possible, here's where you can use a washer or shim to keep your post in plumb. Be sure to really tighten that anchor down with the aid of a breaker bar or impact driver. Slide the tube over the base mount and install the 3 button head screws. Tighten these down as well. You're now ready to side tap holes for this field installation. In most cases, these will be a 5/16 18 thread for our panel grippers, and the bolts will supply with them. Anchoring into wood with a lag bolt or other hardware is a similar process. Just be sure to use a 1/2-inch diameter anchor and to fasten it to the hardware manufacturer specifications. Here we have the H-TUBE's tap to mount easy grippers for a dividing wall. You're not limited to the components you see here. You can use this type of mounting system in conjunction with a variety of other components we supply. The SLA 2.5 HTC or heavy tube cap is sold separately and adds a nice finished look to your installation. Give us a call with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.